Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pork chop stuffing casserole. Alright, I'm starting out in a bowl. I'm going to add a 6-ounce pack of stuffing mix. You can use any flavor you want. I'm using cornbread, but chicken or pork would work fine with this. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth. And I'm just eyeballing this. And I'm going to allow this to sit for a few minutes for that stuffing to absorb the chicken broth. Alright, now in a 9x13 baking pan I have some boneless pork chops. I'm going to season them with my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning. If you don't have this, just a little salt and pepper will work fine. And I'm just putting a light coating over the pork chops. Now I have a can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to get that down over top of the pork chops. You just want to spread that around over top of your chops. Hey guys, this is a real quick and easy recipe for a weekday. You really don't have time to mess around in the kitchen. And with fall coming, this is perfect for the cooler weather. Alright. Now I'm going to take that stuffing, now that I absorbed the chicken broth, I'm going to put that down over top of the pork chops. Smooth that out, nice and even over the chops. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this in foil. I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, I'll take the foil off and I'll allow it to bake for 10 more minutes uncovered. I went ahead and I garnished this with some fresh parsley. Get in here and give this a try. Cut into that chop. See, the chop is cooked through, and that's a thick part of the chop, guys. Chop is tender. Combination of that cream of mushroom soup and the seasoning I put on it really flavored it good. Stuffing is moist, it's creamy. Guys, that's really easy and delicious. Really fast, simple meal. You could eat this by itself or serve it as a side with mashed potatoes, a vegetable. Pork chop stuffing casserole. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.